Sydney had a friend out here, and then Becky and I got on the Hondas. But that's hard to follow this thing on those curves on the Honda.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Ha 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 ha!